Hello, I'm Mike Magnavita, President and CEO of the Franklin Mint Federal Credit Union. We're very proud to be a community partner of Delaware County Literacy Council and a sponsor of the Expert Academy Telethon. FMFCU is a longtime supporter of DCLC, with 2 employees serving on the DCLC Board of Directors. We support Delaware County Literacy Council because of the organization's important work in the community. DCLC has changed the lives of thousands of students by teaching basic literacy skills that are so vital in navigating the world today. We are honored to continue our support of this great work and commend DCLC staff and volunteers on all that they do for our community. And we also extend our congratulations to the 2021 champions of adult literacy. Thank you for all you do.